In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add audio and sound effects to a Figma prototype using a plugin. To get started, open your Figma file and navigate to the Actions menu. From there, open Plugins and Widgets and search for the SoundKit plugin. Once you find the plugin, install it if necessary and launch it. The plugin will open a panel where you can browse available sound effects and audio categories. Next, choose a sound effect you want to use, such as a notification, alert, or interaction sound. You can also upload your own audio file if the plugin supports custom uploads. After selecting your audio, follow the plugin's instructions to attach the sound to your prototype interaction or screen. Once everything is set up, preview your prototype and test the audio to make sure it plays correctly. And that's it! You've successfully added audio and sound effects to your Figma prototype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.